My wife and I recently had the pleasure of experiencing these hidden gems, and we can't wait to share them with you. Our first destination is the iconic Garden of the Gods. It is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Colorado Springs. This enchanting place is a natural wonder where massive rust-colored rock formations rise majestically from the earth. The best part? You can explore its beauty in less than 2 hours. Garden of the Gods provides the perfect blend of accessibility and natural beauty. Concrete walking paths wind through the landscape, making it an ideal choice for hikers of all levels. The awe-inspiring red rock formations create surreal backdrops, providing ample opportunities for breathtaking photos and unforgettable moments. But our adventure doesn't stop there. Our second hike, the Seven Bridges Trail, is a gem that offers a different kind of thrill. A bit less crowded and a bit more mountain-like, it's perfect for those looking for a bit more of a challenge. The trail gets its name from the 7 bridges that crisscross over the babbling North Cheyenne Creek. It is a serene and enchanting experience as you venture deeper into the heart of the wilderness. And guess what? Just like Garden of the Gods, you can complete this hike in under 2 hours. Seven Bridges offers a wonderful opportunity to immerse yourself in nature while feeling the exhilaration of a mountain hike. The rhythm of the creek, the rustling leaves, and the cool mountain air create an environment that is both peaceful and invigorating. So whether you prefer the stunning red rock formations of the Garden of the Gods or the tranquil beauty of the Seven Bridges Trail, both hikes deserve a spot on your day hike list when visiting Colorado Springs. The diversity of experience in this region is simply incredible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell and join us on more exciting adventures.